Ma and Pa's Thanksgiving Turkey Dinner. Ma and Pa's Thanksgiving Turkey Recipe. Prepare time 45 minutes. Cook time 3 hours 30 minutes. Servings 12. The all-time best Thanksgiving turkey. Ingredients: 1 each, 14 to 20 pounds, frozen turkey. Butter mix, 10 tablespoons, unsalted butter, softened. 1½ tablespoons, fresh parsley, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon, fresh rosemary, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon, fresh thyme, finely chopped. 1/2 tablespoon, fresh sage, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon, fine sea salt. 3/4 teaspoon, freshly ground, black pepper. 1 teaspoon, fine sea salt. 1/2 teaspoon, freshly ground, black pepper. 2 large carrots, cut into 1 to 2 inch pieces. 1 stalk celery, cut into 1 to 2 inch pieces. 1 large white onion, quartered. To each bay leaves, to each sprigs fresh thyme. To each sprigs fresh rosemary. To each sprigs fresh sage. For each sprigs fresh parsley. 1 each navel orange quartered. 1 each lemon quartered. 1 cup low sodium chicken stock or broth. 1/2 cup apple cider. Instructions: prepare the turkey. Remove the thawed turkey from the refrigerator 1 hour before roasting. If you bought a frozen turkey, thaw in the refrigerator, allowing 24 hours for every 4 to 5 pounds of turkey. Remove the raw turkey from its packaging. Check the cavity of the turkey and remove the giblets, neck, and anything that is in there. Also remove any thermometers, plastic pieces, etc. Note: feel free to save the neck and or giblets for stock and gravy or discard. Let the turkey come to room temperature while you prepare the herb butter mix. Preheat oven. Adjust the rack in your oven so the turkey will sit in the lower third to half of the oven depending on the turkey's size. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare herb butter mix. Combine the butter, parsley, rosemary, thyme, sage, salt and pepper in a small bowl or food processor and stir or process until combined. Set aside 10 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1½ tablespoons fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary, 1 tablespoon fresh thyme, 1/2 tablespoon fresh sage, 1 teaspoon fine sea salt, 3/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Using paper towels, pat the turkey very dry. Make sure to get around the wings and legs. The turkey needs to be dry so the butter can spread easily on the skin. Season the cavity with salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon fine sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Loosely stuff the turkey's cavity with carrots, celery, onion quarters, fresh herbs, bay leaves, orange and lemon quarters, adding just as much as will comfortably fit. Our Thanksgiving turkey dinner. There may be some leftovers. Apply herb butter mix. Working from the neck, lift the skin from the breasts and thighs, releasing the membrane that connects the skin. Stuff a few tablespoons of the compound butter under the skin, on top of each breast. Use your fingers to smooth it out from the top. Now add some of the butter mixture under the thigh and leg skin and anywhere else you can reach. Lather the remaining butter mixture all over the turkey. Loosely tie the legs together with butcher's twine and tuck the wingtips under the body of the turkey. Transfer to the baking rack of your roasting pan. Add chicken stock or water and apple cider to the roasting pan. This will keep anything from burning as well as aid in keeping the turkey moist and flavorful. 1 cup low sodium chicken stock and 1/2 cup apple cider. Place the turkey in the preheated oven and roast until a thermometer inserted at least 2 inches in between the thigh and the breast reads 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This takes approximately 12 to 15 minutes per pound. If you want to baste the turkey, you can baste once an hour with chicken stock or with the pan juices. Be quick about it, as we don't want the oven temperature to reduce unnecessarily. Check on the cooking turkey occasionally to ensure the skin isn't getting too dark. If it is simply tent with foil to stop the browning, I usually tent with foil about 90 minutes in. Remove golden brown turkey from the oven and transfer to a baking sheet and tent with foil. Carry the cooked golden brown turkey to kitchen counter with caution. The internal temperature to reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the cooked golden brown turkey rest for 20 to 30 minutes, at least, before carving. Carve and serve the turkey immediately. Make sure to reserve any drippings and pan juices to make turkey gravy if desired. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please click that notification bell and never miss one of my recipes again.
Thanksgiving turkey.
Until next time, goodbye family and friends.